Your diet plays a crucial role in your fitness journey. Want to crush your HIIT workouts and recover like a pro? In the next few minutes, I'll show you how to fuel your body for peak performance and long-term results. Let's get started. HIIT, high-intensity interval training, is one of the best ways to torch calories and build endurance. But to maximize its benefits, proper nutrition is key. Without the right fuel, your performance may suffer, and you risk burnout or injury. Your body needs energy before the workout and nutrients after to repair and grow stronger. Think of it this way. You wouldn't drive a race car on an empty tank, right? The same goes for your body. Let's break down the essentials your body needs. Carbohydrates. These are your main fuel source for HIIT. Focus on whole grains, fruits, and vegetables for sustained energy. Protein. Crucial for muscle repair and growth. Lean meats, eggs, and plant-based proteins like tofu or lentils are great options. Healthy fats. Don't skip these. They support your overall energy needs. Avocados, nuts, and seeds are your friends. Micronutrients. Magnesium and potassium help prevent muscle cramps, while vitamin C boosts recovery. Incorporate spinach, bananas, and citrus fruits into your diet. I get it, life is hectic, but with a little planning, you can eat well without spending hours in the kitchen. Here are some tips. Pre-workout meals. Eat a balanced snack 1 to 2 hours before your HIIT session. Try Greek yogurt with berries or a banana with almond butter. Post-workout meals. Within 30 minutes, refuel with a protein shake or a meal like grilled chicken, sweet potatoes, and broccoli. Meal prep. Dedicate one day to cooking in bulk. Portion meals into containers, so they're grab and go for the week. Hydration is just as important as food. Before exercise, drink at least 16 ounces of water 2 hours before your workout. During exercise, take small sips of water if your session lasts over 20 minutes. After exercise, rehydrate with water or add electrolytes if you've been sweating heavily. This ensures your body stays balanced and recovers efficiently. By pairing smart nutrition with your HIIT workouts, you'll unlock your full potential and see amazing results. Ready to fuel your body for optimal performance? Let me know your favorite pre- or post-workout meals in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness and nutrition tips. See you in the next video.